Welcome back to the DeoraII Surfs Up Pedals Down tournament. We started with 16 drivers and we narrowed it down to 4 here for the finals. Here's a look at the finalists. From Monster Motorsports we have Rubber Toe. Next we have Uncle Elvis Racing, Uncle Elvis. Doc of Doc Speed Shop. And Sam Hall of Team DRT 3K. Locked and loaded in the gate, we have Rubber Toe and Doc in row 1, and back we have Sam and Uncle Elvis, ready for racing. Heading down main into the cereal bowl, it's Rubber Toe with a commanding lead. Whoa, Sam Hall blocks the pack, looking for a shot at Rubber Toe. Oh, Rubber Toe hangs loose. Doc passes. Doc takes the top spot. Rubber Toe is able to finish, takes the 2. Unfortunately, Sam and Uncle Elvis DNF. Here's a look. Sam Hall in white in the 2 blocks Doc and Uncle Elvis coming around turn 2. And Rubber Toe had a nice lead the whole race, but gets sideways. Sam Hall can't get by him. And man, this pass by Doc. Kind of similar to that pass by Cupcake in round 1. So after race 1, it's Doc with 5. And Rubber with 3. Race 2, rotating lanes. We have Sam Hall in pole and Rubber Toe up front. Rubber Toe up front, Sam Hall on his tail, heading into turn 1. Sam Hall slips into the 1. Rubber Toe on his side. Rubber Toe looking to make a move. He passes, Doc passes. Sam Hall still in it, down the line. Rubber Toe holds on to it, takes the 1. Doc in 2, Sam and Uncle Elvis in 3 and 4. Sam had the lead. Rubber Toe gets on his side and at turn 3 passes from the outside along with Doc. After 2, we've got Doc and Rubber Toe tied at 8. Race 3. Let them rip. Sam and Uncle Elvis battle for the rabbit hole shot. Sam takes it. Uncle Elvis looking for a window. Doc sees a shot, can't get by. Got to be Sam Hall taking the 1. Uncle Elvis in 2. Doc in 3 and RT in 4. So after 3 we have Sam with 7. Doc with 10. Uncle Elvis with 4 and Rubber Toe 9. Race 4. Doc and Uncle Elvis up front. Rubber and Sam in back. This is it. Snap, crackle, pop. Gate drops. Heading down the main drag. It's a tight race. Doc with the rabbit hole after the bowl. Rubber passes Uncle Elvis on Doc's bumper. Coming down the main line. Rubber Toe looking for a shot. Oh, but it's Doc with clean lines. Blocks him out and takes the 1. Rubber in the 2. Uncle Elvis in 3. Sam Hall in 4. Here's the totals after 4. Got Sam Hall with 8. Doc with 15. Uncle Elvis with 6. Rubber Toe with 12. So big congratulations to Doc of Doc Speed Shop, our champion of the DeoraII Surfs Up Pedals Down tournament. And a big thank you to all 16 builders that sent in killer Deoras for this event. Man, that was fun. Let's go to the beach. Happy holidays, everybody.